Conversation practice about health insurance. I would like to purchase some health insurance. Have you ever purchased health insurance before? I have health insurance now, but I want to consider other options. Do you know if you are interested in an HMO or a PPO? Could you explain the difference to me? To clarify it for you, with a PPO you pay more, but you get to choose your own doctor. When I pay for a service, is the payment the same for a PPO or HMO? The payments are quite a bit higher for the PPO, but you can go anywhere you like. How much will an HMO cost me per month? Go to our website and fill in the questionnaire. Once we have all of your information, we can give you a quote. I am calling to purchase health insurance. Do you have health insurance now? I was on my parents' policy, but I need to start buying my own. You can purchase an HMO or a PPO. Do you know what you want? I don't know what I want. Let me explain it to you. An HMO is a little cheaper, but you can only choose sure doctors. When I go to the doctor, do I pay the same out-of-pocket expenses for a PPO? The payments are a little lower for an HMO as long as you go to their doctors. How much will a PPO cost me per month? We need to factor in many things. Why don't you come in, and we will have you fill out a questionnaire. I need information on purchasing health insurance. Is this the first time you have had health insurance? This is my first time buying health insurance. You have a choice of HMO or PPO. Do you understand the difference? I am not sure what those are. Just so you understand completely, an HMO is a little cheaper, but you have limited choices of which doctor you choose. If I need to use my insurance, are the payments the same for a PPO and HMO? By going to the providers on the HMO list, you save money on out-of-pocket expenses. Can you give me a comparison between a PPO and an HMO? We can mail you a questionnaire, and when we have all of your information, we will mail you a quote.